Carrots may not be the first commodity that comes to mind when thinking of Wisconsin agriculture, but we are one of the largest producers in the nation. The majority of Wisconsin carrots are processed for vegetable slicing or dicing. Here's a glimpse at getting them from the ground to your table.
Correct. Yeah, we do the sizable fresh market business that we've been involved in for probably the last 20 or so years. The carrot business we're involved in, we've been doing for probably the last 40 years. Kind of that came about in the mid 80s and kind of in a similar scenario when like right now when corn and soybeans weren't worth a whole lot, kind of diversified into doing something else that had a little more hope and future in it and some dollars to make. And that's how we got into this carrot business with Lakeside Foods here at Manitowoc. There's a processor that handles the product once we harvest it. So it's been a good working relationship dealing with them, and certainly been interesting doing something different compared to what everybody else is doing. I believe there's less than 10 of us in the state that actually raise carrots. So it's kind of a unique thing to be involved with.
And for consumers, ultimately, they will end up buying these frozen, canned, all of the above?
Frozen and canned, yeah. Basically, you can find, if you're eating a Lakeside carrot product, or even how many off-brand labels they do too, there's a chance that it could be ours. So
how
kind
many
of a unique
acres did
thing.
you have planted in carrots this year?
We got about 100 acres of them, which is probably between 2,000 and 3,000 ton. And I think, I don't know what the current statistic is for how many we're doing in the state, but I know probably 15 years ago we were doing 4,000 ton, and at that time it was about 5% of the carrots in the state and about 1% of the carrots in the nation. So we're probably a little less than that now, of course, but still there's just not many people involved in it,
Talk to us about the machinery that is used in this harvest. It is fascinating to watch.
When my dad got involved in the carrot business in the mid 80s, there was not a set line of equipment you went out and bought. Like if you're doing corn, you got a combine or you got a corn planter and stuff. There was carrot planters. The carrot seed is just a super tiny seed. It's similar in size, probably like grass seed. It's tiny. If anybody's familiar with that. As far as the harvesting equipment goes, you basically manufactured and built your own. And actually what we're doing today is we're still using some of that equipment because it's done an excellent job for us and provided us an excellent product. A lot of the other producers in the state that are raising carrots, they're using what's called a top lifter, and it actually grabs the carrot by the top, and there's a plow underneath to loosen them up, and it pulls them out of the ground using 2 rubber belts. We're doing it a little differently. We're leaving that carrot in the ground, and we're cutting what's called the crown of the carrot, or where the top of the green part of the carrot connects to the orange part of the carrot. We're cutting that off on the ground, and we're loosening it with a ripper or a plow type thing to loosen them carrots up in the ground, and we're actually sifting that carrot out of the ground with the machine we're using. So it's a little different, but it's provided us a consistent way to raise a decent product. So
talk about the pride you take in raising such a comfort food that's going to go into whether it's pot roast or snacks around the country.
Sure. It's certainly the biggest pride factor to me, I guess, is the fact of doing something that nobody else per se really is involved with. And that's kind of the unique thing. And then yet, besides doing a good job at it, it allows it to be unique. And certainly, every day is different in agriculture, but it's certainly a little more unique than that in this industry. But it is interesting to see that something you're raising is going all across the United States or even possibly other countries. It's kind of a, diversified thing. Pretty cool.
How long is your harvest season typically for the carrots?
Our harvest season usually starts 1st of October or 5th of October or so, and usually runs through till the ground freezes up, usually through the end of November or mid-November. So what happens with carrot crop and like Lakeside Foods, they can't handle, if you're going to go out and harvest a whole crop in 1 week, they can't process it that fast because they're pulling from different other growers in the state. But it's not like you can go out there and just harvest for 24 hours a day and do something with them. You can't pile them up and wait on it. You got to kind of go to what works for them and what fits their plant demand. So a little different thing compared to like corn or soybeans, where you can kind of hammer the acres off and put it in a grain bin or dry it and store it. It's a little different ball game here.
The Wolfert Farm Market will be open a few more weekends. It's located in rural Two Rivers. Right now they have carrots, beets, and several varieties of squash for sale.